Hey guys, welcome to Leap Scholar. My name is Monash and I have studied in HEC Paris and currently work and live here in Paris in France. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete step-by-step process to study in France after completing your 12th class in India. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to start your study abroad journey in France. But before we start, I'm giving away 50 plus free SOPs that will help you draft your application. All you have to do is go to the pinned comments or description to download them, so check it out. Now, let's dive right in. Step 1. Research your course and university. The first step is to decide what you want to study. France offers a wide range of bachelor programs in fields like engineering, business, arts, fashion, hospitality, and much more. You should research universities and programs on official portals like Campus France. Make sure to check eligibility requirements for each program, such as academic scores and language proficiency. Step 2. Check language requirements. Many undergraduate programs in France are taught in French, though some are also available in English. If your chosen program is in French, you need to prove your proficiency through exams like DELF or DALF. For English taught programs, you may need IELTS or TOEFL scores. Start preparing early to meet these requirements. I would advise you to start as early as a year or two in advance. Step 3. Application process through Campus France. All Indian students need to go through the Études process, which is by Campus France. So Campus France is the official body that coordinates admissions. You'll have to create an account on the Campus France website, fill out details and your application form, upload your academic documents, language certificates, and statement of purpose. Once your file is complete, Campus France will guide you through the next steps, including interviews if required. For that, I have done a detailed video on the Études France process. You can check it out in the pinned comments and description. Step 4. University admission and offer letter. After submitting your application, universities in France will review your profile. If you meet the criteria, you'll receive an offer letter. Read the letter very carefully and accept the offer within the given time frame. Step 5 is to arrange your finances. Studying in France is relatively affordable compared to other countries, but you still need to show financial proof. Tuition fees vary depending on whether you're applying to a public university or a private institution. Additionally, you should have budget for living expenses, which averages around 700 to 1,000 euros per month. You may also explore scholarships offered by the French government, universities, or Campus France. Step 6. Apply for a student visa. Once you have your admission letter, the next step is to apply for a French student visa, which is also known as the long stay visa or VLS-TS. For that, you need to book an appointment at your nearest VFS Global Center in India and submit your application, also provide biometrics and attend an interview if asked. Some of the key documents include your admission letter, your financial proof, your accommodation details, and health insurance. There is a separate video for the student visa process, which is extremely detailed. You can check that out as well. I will put the link in the pinned comments and the description. Step 7. Plan your travel and accommodation. After your visa is approved, book your flight tickets to France and start looking for accommodation options like university dormitories, student residences, or private rentals. Having confirmed housing before arrival makes settling down much easier. And finally, when you arrive here, focus on adapting to life in France. Learn basic French if you haven't already, explore part-time work opportunities, and make use of student discounts, travel, food, cultural activities. So, That's the complete step-by-step process to study in France after 12th class in India. Also, before you leave, do remember to download free SOPs and check out detailed videos on Études de France and visa process videos, which are all linked in the pinned comments and the description. I will see you next time.